It's a Daco boys. At Mini Kiss boys. What the fuck? Ano man? Ay, ako guys. I can copy his voice. Look. Why? Why do you want me to mute?